How goes it all? Welcome back to Patterson Properties. Hopefully you guys having a great and exceptional day. All right, so one of the main reasons why I'm going to talk about rental property maintenance is because I'm currently going through a series of maintenance on all the rental properties that I own. Specifically, shout out Berks County, City of Reading. I'm not trying to say this to have any issues with them, or as they say, no smoke with them, but one thing that they do every couple of years is they inspect properties within the city limits of Reading, Pennsylvania, in order for people to ensure that the homes are in decent conditions and there's no slumlords. In a sense, it's kind of like New York City, where there's no rent control, but there's assurances that I guess you could consider Berks County, Pennsylvania, City of Reading more of a tenant-friendly place to ensure that the people living in these properties are living in friendly places. So hey, got to do what the city says to ensure that people live in a decent environment, so that the tenant's safe and all that good stuff. And nothing wrong with that, because hey, it's the end of 2025. I'm going to be able to write all the work that I'm getting done on these properties. So that's the gift and the curse of owning real estate as a landlord, is that you have the get cash flow, you get the appreciation or depreciation value of the home, and you're able to write off any issues that happen in regards to anything associated with the property in itself. So I leave it at that. But anyways, I definitely want to get these maintenance jobs done before the end of the year, because like I said, tax write-off. So according to the article that I read the other day, the tenant should report these kinds of issues when it comes to the property. Hopefully they remain ever vigilant before the issues get worse. You know what I mean? So anyways, water leaks or moisture, even small drips, can lead to mold or damage. HVAC temperature issues and consistent heating or cooling may need servicing, especially given the fact that we're in fall, but in a sense we feel like we're in the heart of the wintertime. Electrical problems, flickering lights or trap breakers may signal wiring issues, and obviously you don't want a fire to happen to the property. Appliance malfunctions, report broken dishwashers or refrigerators immediately if applied by the homeowner. Plumbing concerns, slow drains or running toilets waste water and increase bills. Security risks, broken locks or gates can create unsafe conditions. Structural issues, large cracks in walls, sagging ceilings or soft floors may indicate deeper problems. And when it comes to reporting these issues, your tenants should do the following. Clearly explain the issues, include when it started and how often it occurs. Attach photos or videos, visual evidence helps technicians prepare. Report problems early, don't wait for them to worsen, because the worse it gets, the more one will have to pay money, so in a sense, it's been a long time since, like, with my properties I had in Pennsylvania, it's been a minute since they've had gone through an inspection, even though both properties have had a lot of maintenance issues in 2025, and therefore I've had to get certain things done. But majority of the issues that are written by the city inspector, very minute stuff, paint, weeds in front of the house, things that, very minimal maintenance stuff. It's, just a little bit of paint, possible leak, things of that nature. So minimal stuff, nothing too, because heck, I had to put it on both of these properties. In the last 4 years, I've had to replace, the biggest job is putting a roof and whatnot, and HVAC systems and things of that nature. So, but that comes with the territory of owning a property. That's why I said, it's like, I'm not complaining, because, you own a home, you got to make sure you take care of it, Home and cars are the biggest expense for anybody in today's world, so it is what it is. Anyways, number 4, provide instructions. Let management know how to enter if you are away. That's the beautiful thing of having a property management company. They're taking care of this whole situation for me. Be available for follow-up questions. Help avoid repair delays. Use the official maintenance portal. Ensures requests are logged and tracked. Describes safety concerns clearly. Report electrical or plumbing hazards as urgent, especially when it comes to plumbing and electrical, because plumbing can flood, electrical can burn. So these are things that one needs to take into consideration. Follow up professionally. Request updates politely if repairs take time. Undermine maintenance priorities. Not every issue is urgent, but updates are essential. If a problem worsens, resubmit a new request to the property management company. By following these tips, you can help ensure timely repairs and maintain a well-kept home environment. Also, by taking care of these matters, if it can save the landlord money and time, also it can save the current tenants future headaches. One last thing is, in the future, is I'm going to require that my tenants of my current and future properties have renters insurance for the protection, because if there's something that happened on their watch, then hey, they can file an insurance claim, and then I won't have to worry about it doing it through my insurance company. So hopefully my monthly insurance premiums don't go up, especially in today's inflationary time. So we'll see what happens and go from there. Don't forget, Patterson Property, the wholesale real estate throughout the DMV area, Pennsylvania area, specifically Eastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia, Reading, Pennsylvania, Allentown, all that good stuff, Harrisburg. So check us out. If you're a stock market investor, crypto investor, individual, or time account investor, don't forget to check out People's Stash, acornswift.com, Coinbase. All those platforms you'll be able to make money move so that you don't live broke like a fool. So on that note, family, do the great 3 free things. Like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day. Remember, you can't get fired if you own the company. It's 2025 going into 2026. Time to do something. Take care.